Hi, let's talk about designing and developing a user interface. This is part 7 of many. Today we'll talk about using content controls inside of a panel base class. We've talked about using buttons inside of controls, but what about ellipses and even stack panels inside of stack panels? Let's take a look. Inside of our main window, we see we have a number of controls. One of the things that we can do quickly to change this is to take out the stack panel implementation. We do this, and now looks like we only see one ellipse, a button filling up the stack panel, and the words button in a stack panel type of arrangement. In other words, the last content control covers the controls you may have wanted to expose. So let's add back in the stack panel. Now the stack panel automatically adds the end stack panel, so we'll just cut and paste that and drop it down to the end of our code, right before grid. Grid is the form that we're looking at. Once we enter that, now we can see that we have multiple buttons and ellipses as well as another stack panel inside of a stack panel. So what we've looked at is how do we work with content controls, which is an object that can contain a single item in the content property, and how do we use multiple controls on a form.